Welcome back to The Value Reviewer, the place where we uncover the smartest tools and technologies that make your daily life easier, more efficient, and more creative. In this video, we are exploring something that is changing the entire world of productivity: artificial intelligence. AI used to sound futuristic, something only companies with huge budgets or expert developers could access. But now it is in our hands, on our phones, laptops, and browsers. The truth is, you do not need to be a programmer to use AI. You just need to know where to start and which tools actually make a difference. Today, we will look at 5 powerful AI tools that can transform the way you work, create, and live. These are tools that anyone can use right now without writing a single line of code. Each one of them has the power to save hours of effort and unlock a level of creativity and productivity that was impossible only a few years ago. So get ready, because by the end of this video, you will discover tools that can write for you, design for you, edit videos for you, and even organize your life better than ever before. Let's begin with number 1. Number 1, ChatGPT by OpenAI. ChatGPT is the tool that started a revolution. It is a conversational AI that understands and generates human language in a way that feels natural and intelligent. You can talk to it just like you are chatting with a friend, and it will instantly respond with ideas, answers, and solutions. Need to write an email, write a business plan, or maybe a YouTube script? Like this one, ChatGPT can do it in seconds. It helps students create essays, marketers write ad copy, and business owners communicate more clearly. It can summarize large amounts of information, generate creative stories, or even help you learn new topics. What makes it so powerful is that it saves time and mental energy. Instead of staring at a blank page, you start from a place of inspiration. ChatGPT gives you structure, direction, and style. You remain in control. But the hard part, the thinking, the planning, the formatting is already done for you. Imagine having a digital assistant that never sleeps, that remembers context and can help you at any hour that is. What ChatGPT offers it is like unlocking the power of creativity and logic combined in one simple chat box. Number 2, Pictory. If writing is one half of content creation, then video is the other. Pictory is a tool that bridges that gap perfectly. It takes your text, whether it is a blog post, a script, or even a product description, and turns it into a professional video automatically. You simply paste your text, and Pictory generates a complete video with scenes, background footage, transitions, and even voice narration. It uses AI to understand the meaning of your words and match them with visuals that make sense. This means you can turn articles into YouTube videos, short clips for TikTok, or even professional marketing videos in minutes. No editing skills needed for creators. This is a game changer because video editing is usually the hardest and most time-consuming part. Pictory gives you back your time. It is perfect for content creators, marketers, and even teachers who want to turn educational material into engaging video lessons. The best part is how flexible it is. You can adjust the scene, choose your own voice, add background music, and export in widescreen or portrait for any platform. It is like having an entire video production team in your browser. Number 3, Canva Magic Studio. Canva used to be a simple design tool, but now it has evolved into an AI powerhouse. The new Magic Studio lets you create stunning visuals automatically. You just describe what you want and Canva designs it for you in seconds. Need a YouTube thumbnail, a logo, or an ad banner? You can type a simple description like, "Create a modern tech-themed thumbnail for the Value Reviewer channel," and Canva will build it instantly with the right colors, balance, and layout. Magic Studio can also expand your photos, remove unwanted objects, generate AI images, and even write captions for your post. It turns the creative process into something fun and fast, instead of frustrating, for anyone who runs a business or a channel. This means no more waiting for designers or struggling with complex software. Canva gives you full creative control with AI that understands your vision. And the best thing about it, it is built for everyone. Whether you are a beginner or professional, Canva is like your digital art studio that is always open, always ready, and always smart. Number 4, Runway AI. Now this one is for creators who love videos but want cinematic results without expensive software or years of editing experience. Runway AI is a groundbreaking platform that lets you edit videos like magic. You can remove unwanted objects from a video, change the background color, correct footage, and even create entirely new scenes just by typing a text prompt. Imagine typing, Make this video look like a sunset beach scene and seeing it change before your eyes, or removing a random person who walked behind you during a recording in seconds. Runway also includes features like motion tracking, automatic captions, background removal, and even AI video generation. This is the future of video editing, and it is available to anyone with an internet connection. What makes Runway stand out is that it gives normal users access to technology that used to be available only to big movie studios. It is Hollywood power in your hands. If you are serious about creating professional videos for YouTube or social media, this tool is one you should absolutely explore. Number 5. Jasper AI. While ChatGPT is general purpose, Jasper is built specifically for content creators, marketers, and business owners. Jasper writes like a professional copywriter trained in marketing psychology. It understands tone, voice, and audience. You can use it to create product descriptions, Facebook ads, blog intros, or even website content. It can rewrite existing text in a new style or create something entirely fresh from a short prompt. What makes Jasper so powerful is its ability to keep your brand voice consistent. You can tell it how you want your content to sound: friendly, formal, persuasive, or educational, and it will deliver exactly that. It saves businesses hours of writing every week and ensures that every piece of content is polished, engaging, and ready to publish. Jasper also includes templates for emails, video scripts, ad copy, and SEO-friendly blog posts, making it a complete content engine. Bonus tool: Notion AI. Organization is where many people struggle. Notion AI changes that it takes your notes, projects, and documents and transforms them into smart connected systems. You can ask it to summarize a long meeting note plan, your week, organize your projects, or even brainstorm ideas for your business. It works inside Notion, the popular productivity app, so everything stays clean and structured. Imagine never losing track of your tasks, your goals, or your creative ideas again. Notion AI acts like a digital mind that remembers everything for you and helps you stay productive without stress. Each of these tools shows how far AI has come and how accessible it is today. You no longer need to know how to code or understand machine learning to use artificial intelligence. All you need is curiosity and the willingness to experiment. ChatGPT helps you think and write. Pictory helps you visualize and publish. Canva helps you design beautifully. Runway helps you edit and create. Jasper helps you communicate with impact, and Notion AI helps you organize your world. These tools are not replacing human creativity, they are extending it. They allow you to focus on what truly matters: the ideas, the storytelling, the human touch. While AI handles the repetitive heavy lifting in the background, AI is becoming the greatest equalizer in the digital world. It gives small creators and independent workers the same power that once belonged only to large companies. You can now build a brand, create videos, design ads, write content, and manage everything right from your laptop, all powered by AI. The future belongs to those who learn to use these tools wisely and creatively. And if you start today, you will be miles ahead of most people, still waiting for the future to happen. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the Value Reviewer channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next review. Because here, we do not just follow technology, we understand it, we use it, and we find the real value inside it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.